Unit methods of teaching. Teacher centered instruction. Teacher functions actively, one way communication. No place for students' interaction. Students never collaborated with others. Example lecture method, team teaching, classroom discussion, demonstration, etc. Learner centered instruction. Teacher plans the teaching activity based on the age and maturity level of the students. Teacher tries to maximize the students' participation in the teaching learning activity. Students' interaction will be maximum. Organized activities like debate, seminar, project, field trip, problem solving method, colloquium, brainstorming, etc. Teacher centered instruction, lecture method, demonstration method, team teaching. Lecture method, it is most commonly used traditional method. It is a formal verbal presentation of information by an instructor to the student or group of students. It is a teacher controlled method. It is also known as communication method. It presents content in a comprehensive manner. Demonstration method, it is a practical way of teaching. Communicate an idea with aid, visual, switch, flip charts, posters, PPT, etc. Teachers give demos or perform the particular concept or activity in classroom. Example topic is computer parts. Parts of computer, nature will actually issue. To achieve success in this method, nature needs to do three necessary things. Objects should be visible to all. Demonstrator should use clear language and step-by-step procedure. Team teaching. It is also known as co-teaching or group teaching. First developed in 1955 in Harvard University. To promote teachers and teaching process at the same time, same class and same subject. It is more flexible. The whole responsibility is on all the teachers. Teachers together set goal for a course, design a syllabus, prepare individual lesson plans, teach students and evaluate the results. Types of team teaching. Traditional team teaching, supporting team teaching, split class in team teaching, monitoring team teaching and parallel team teaching. Learner centered instruction. Self learning, program instruction, computer assisted instruction, Keller plan, project method, APL, ALM, mind map and EALM. Self learning. Self learning is defined as collecting information by one's own efforts, processing and understanding them without the assistance of others, and retaining them in memory. Learning is a challenge and self learning is a step higher. Self learning has the ability to manage learning tasks without having them directed by others. Learner will require more patience and discipline. Programmed instruction. Programmed instruction is a method of presenting new subject matter to students in carefully designed steps through a sequence of instructional frames. Textbooks have been developed in programmed format and the students can learn at their own speed. Programmed learning is a research-based system. Programmed instruction is also called as individualized learning technique. Types of programming: linear programming, branching programming. Computer assisted instruction. It is an interactive instructional technique. Computer is used to present the material and monitor the learning. It uses a combination of text, graphics, and sound, and video in enhancing the learning process. It uses computer as a tool to facilitate and improve instruction. Types of CAI: drill and practice, tutorial activity, simulation, discovery, instructional game, problem solving. Keller plan. The Keller plan is a personalized learning method in which students receive material in small unit. The Keller plan is also referred as the PSI. PSI stands for Personalized System of Instruction. Fred S. Keller developed the plan in 1960. The system has more punishments and instead is simply award pass or fail grades. Project method. Project method is the outcome of the pragmatic ideas propagated by John Dewey. It is based on the principle of learning by doing. It is an educative work being carried out practically in a natural and social setting. Active learning method. The learning process in which students get directly involved and learn by experience. Active learning is anything that involves students in doing things and thinking about the things they are doing. Techniques of active learning: think, pair, share, role playing, jigsaw puzzles, peer review, discussion, problem solving using real data, game based learning, mind map. Mind maps are used to generate, visualize, structure, and classify ideas, and as an acting study, organizing problem, solving, decision making, and writing. Mind map may also aid recall of existing memories. Mind map encourage a brainstorming approach to planning and organizing tasks. Techniques of making mind map: place the main theme or idea in the center of the paper. Landscape orientation will be easier for drawing. Use lines, arrows, different stitches in different color. As we should draw quickly, avoid creating artistic masterpiece. Activity based learning. Activity is an objective oriented task. In the activity based learning, importance is given to the learner who gains new knowledge by doing activity in his or own environment. So, the activity based learning is both learner as well as learning friendly. Activities of activity based learning method: dramatization, quizzes, group discussion, role play, educational game, brainstorming, problem solving, debate, fieldwork, discovery learning projects. Advanced active learning method AALM, designed to engage students' critical thinking skills and apply previously new knowledge to real life situations. They employ critical elements, emphasized higher order learning processed as students are responsible for their own learning, can get open ended guidance from instructors.